My name is Dr. Barbara Terpstra. I practice in the Chicagoland area with offices in Niles, Downers Grove, and Orland Park. The question is, do varicose veins hurt? And the answer is yes and no. Not always. Varicose veins start off small, much like any kind of medical issue. And when they're small, they don't necessarily always cause pain. As they grow and as your condition advances, however, we start to see not only pain over the surface of the varicosities themselves, particularly when pressed upon, but also away from the varicose veins in other parts of the leg, which can manifest as achiness, more of a fatigue feeling in the leg, also with issues like cramping that occur mostly at night. In advanced cases of varicose veins and their underlying condition, chronic venous insufficiency, we even see swelling, which can cause stretch on the skin, which is very, very painful, and also just heaviness and tiredness in the joints of the lower extremity itself.